Hello friends, in this video we'll just discuss how to combine two or more than that cell into one cell. Okay, you can learn by watching 1 minute of my video, but if you will see all the examples, then it will be clear to you and you will not face any problem in the future. So just I'm starting. Here now name is given Ashish Sai Nath. You have to mention like this: Ashish space Sai space Nath. So one formula is there you have to use, that is concatenate, equal to CONCATENATE, concatenate. Okay, then bracket open, you have to select the first cell, then comma, then you want to give space, so space you have to mention within double inverted comma, that is double inverted comma space, then again double inverted comma, then comma, then second cell, then comma, then again you have to mention the space, then comma, then last cell. Then now you no need to give any space, so bracket close and enter. See, the name is given like that, Ashish space Sai space Nath. So now you have to copy in all the cell, so you can just drag or double click. There is another way, just you have to select Ctrl Shift up arrow, and then you have to copy by pressing Ctrl D, then it will copy to other cell also. Now come to the second example. In my video I just covered the topic which is essential for the office work, so that you can do your work very easily and very quickly. So if you have any doubt in any topic, just write down in my comment box, and then I will just discuss about that in my next video. Okay, now I'm starting the second example. Your date, month and year is given. You have to just combine like that, date hyphen September, then hyphen, then year. So how will you do that? The same formula you have to use. There are many formulas are given, but only one formula is enough. Just write down equal to concatenate, then bracket open, then select the first cell, comma, then you have to mention hyphen, that is within double inverted comma, then again comma, then second cell, comma, then again mention hyphen, then comma, then last cell, then bracket close, enter. Now you can see it is combined. Now just do the same thing, select all the cell, then Ctrl D to copy it down. Okay, now third and last example, there are some country codes are given, Indian and UAE, and mobile number also. You have to combine that two cells in one cell without any space and without any hyphen. So simply you have to mention concatenate, bracket open, then go to first cell, then comma, then last cell, bracket close, enter. Now you can see it is combined. The same thing, select Ctrl D. Okay, and that's all. Tata, bye bye, good night.